Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Naomi. And today I bring a look that feels so light and soft that it almost reminds me of summer breeze. I am trying on my white wedge sandals and my natural sheer pantyhose. And I really love how calm and bright this combination feels. These wedges have a gentle shape that makes the feet look pretty and balanced, while the pantyhose give that silky natural finish that always looks elegant and simple. Together they create a look that feels easy to wear and perfect for any sunny day. I enjoy this kind of style because it looks feminine and fresh without being too much. It just feels good and comfortable from the first moment I put them on. I can already tell this video will have a very sweet and gentle mood, so let's relax and enjoy this new try-on together. The white wedge sandals have such a pretty and gentle design. They give a light, soft height that makes every step feel smooth and natural. I like how they keep that casual and elegant balance because they are not too high and not too flat. They give enough lift to make the legs look longer and more graceful. The white color feels pure and clean, and it matches perfectly with almost everything. I enjoy how the wedge shape keeps them stable and comfortable, so I can walk easily, still feel stylish. It is a kind of heel that makes me feel relaxed and feminine at the same time, and that is exactly why I love wearing them so much. The natural sheer pantyhose bring a soft, elegant finish that makes the legs look silky and smooth. They are very thin and transparent, so the tone stays natural while adding that little glow that makes everything look polished and gentle. I like how the texture feels so light on the skin. It is almost like a second layer that gives comfort and softness. Without hiding anything, this type of pantyhose is perfect for moments when I want to keep a natural look, but still feel elegant and delicate. I think they go really well with these wedges because the color combination feels calm, warm, and very easy to wear. I always enjoy how a simple pair of pantyhose and wedges can completely change the energy of an outfit. They bring softness, light, and that feminine touch that I love the most. It is not about making a big statement. It is about feeling balanced, beautiful, and comfortable at the same time. That is what I want in every try on, something that feels simple, but leaves a sweet, elegant impression every time. What I like the most about this look is how natural it feels. The white wedge sandals give me that calm, easy mood that I love, and they always make me want to walk a little more slowly just to enjoy the sound and the movement. They are light, stable, and have that soft charm that keeps everything feminine without trying too hard. The color feels pure and bright and gives a clean, fresh energy that goes perfectly with my style. The natural sheer pantyhose make everything smoother. They keep the legs soft, but still natural. And I like how they let the skin tone show through with just a little glow. It feels simple and honest. And that is exactly the kind of feeling I want in my try-ons. This look is not about being perfect. It is about feeling relaxed and pretty in small details that make me smile. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. If you like the video, leave your like and subscribe so you can see all the next try-ons. I am already preparing more outfits that I think you will enjoy a lot. You can also tell me in the comments what kind of shoes or pantyhose you want to see next. I always love reading your ideas and sharing these moments together. This is Naomi, and I see you very soon.